this video we're going to be doing some more web development. I learned how to zoom in on my DOM and my code editor in VS Code. I definitely recommend using VS Code if you have it, or if you're not using it, to get it, because I personally think it's one of the best, if not the best. So I'll be making a video on how to install it if you don't already have it installed, and now let's get on to doing DOM selectors. Alright, so in the last video we were covering DOM selector query selector all. As you can see on the right here, h1.className, enabling cool title, so we'll open up the index that we were running. Hello, that's not the one, we'll do DOM run. There we go, there it is. So now you can see if we go into our DOM testing and we run h1.className cool title, it'll enable a nice cool title class that we defined. There you go, you see it shows up there, shopping list. It looks really weird, but that's a pretty cool looking title. So let's go on to the next bit. We were doing that in the last video if you want to give it a look. So let's go Jello document.query selector all parent element 1 parent element children, so we can see here you can do document.query selector for li element, and if we get the parent element of it and then the parent element of that, we'll get the body, and if we get the children of that, we'll get the children of the body tag. So if we bring this over here, F12 for developer tools, Control V, you can see we get the whole everything on the page. We get h1 head body console, we get the p first, p second, and you can see as we move along that this is all getting selected, and we have 2 script tags, so that's good. Alright, on to the next video. Use the below selectors on www.google.com. So now you can use these DOM selectors. If we open them, we're going to extract that file to our programming or website build. We can go into testing skills. There we go, DOM selectors. So we have get tags by get elements by tag name, get elements by class name, class list. So if we go get elements by tag name, I go to this, get elements by tag name, document dot get elements by tag name, and I'll put in p for p elements. We'll see what we get. There we go, we get the p elements. And now if we run document.get elements by class name, whoops, get elements by class name, and if we go back to our other one, DOM run or DOM testing, and we do document dot get elements by class name, we'll have the class of random. We run this in the console, we get an empty because we don't have anything with random, with the class of random. But if we did something that we did have the class have, that has that class, let's have a look at what classes we can select. Class second, so let's go for the class second, and we run this and we get p second. Nice, there you go, it's there, p second, no excuses. So now if we go up here and we go to get element by id, DOM run DOM testing.html, go document dot get element by id, and we can do h1, or let's actually see what elements. So we have an id of first, so let's get that one, id of first, and we'll see what it gets us. We'll have to close that with a, there you go, Control C. Now if you go to console, Control V, and it gives us p with the id of first. Get it done today, very good. So now if we go to back again and we try query selector, we can do DOM testing document dot query selector li, See what that gives us. Document.query selector. It gives us li of a random marker notebook. Very nice. So now if we do DOM selectors, document.query selector all, DOM testing, document.query selector all li elements, and it gives us an array of li elements, so we get an array of 3 li elements. So if we use the square brackets and we do 0, we get the first item in this array. So document.query selector li, we get the first item. As you can see over here, it's the first notebook, li random. Very good. So now if we run get attribute, we go to document dot get attribute. So random. We'll have a look. Okay, so that we don't have an attribute of random. So let's see, attribute class style. Let's go style for h1. Get attribute. Okay. Get attribute style. Control V. Document dot query selector li dot get attribute style. If we do document dot query selector h1, get attribute style. Alright, we'll rerun that and we get background yellow. So this is getting the document h1 and it's getting the attribute style from that. So if we want to set attribute of that of style equal to black, we could try and run that now. So if we copy this line, Control C, we run, invalid left hand side equal to black. We run it, invalid left hand side assignment operator. Style dot background equal to yellow. h1 dot query selector equal to yellow. h1 dot style dot background equal to blue. So let's make it blue. So if we go to that, then we run blue. You see the background of it has become blue. Very nice. So now if we go to set attribute, DOM testing, we can copy and go to the next line again. Set attribute, we can do document.query selector, Control C, set attribute, style 1. Two arguments required. So we can set attribute style 1, but only one present, so you want 2 arguments. To set attribute style to black. Let's try that. There you go, undefined. But if we do, we run document.query selector, and we get the style background yellow, and we get style 1 of black. So we added another attribute of style 1 black. So if we wanted to add another attribute, we could go document.query selector h1, set attribute style 2 equal to brown, and we can control run. Then if we do h1, if we do document.query selector h1, it's style background yellow and style 2 brown. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Comment any languages you're learning down below and what resources you're using. I wish you the best, and I'll see you in the next one.